Hello students, this video is for BBA second year students semester 4 for marginal costing and CVP analysis. Right. We will start with the numerical part here. The question first itself, that is question number 11 in this file, says that the details of Glocal Limited is as follows. Margin of safety is 10,000, which represent 40% of sales. PV ratio is 50 percentage, and we have to find out break even sales, fixed cost, and total sales as well as profit. Right here, break even sales is given already. Break even sales has to be found out. Margin of safety is given already. Right, let's check out the solution. Right. First of all, we have to find out break even sales. Break even sales formula is sales minus margin of safety. Here in the question, margin of safety is given as 10,000 and it is 40% of sales. Now, first of all, we have to find out that what is total sales here. Right. 10,000 is 40% of sales. So at 40%, if it is the value of 10,000, that how much will be the value for the 100%? Right. Cross multiplying the numericals, 10,000 into 100 divided by 40 will give out 25,000 as answer, which is our total sales. Now, for the break-even sales, we already have the formula, which is sales minus margin of safety. Sales is 25,000 as we have got here, right? And margin of safety is 10,000, which is already given in question. According to that, the answer for break-even sales will be 15,000. Next, we have to find out the profit, right? The profit formula is margin of safety into PV ratio. Margin of safety is 10,000 given itself in the question. PV ratio also given in the question, 50%. 10,000 into 50% or 10,000 into 0.50 will give out 20,000 as answer for the profit. Next, we have to find out that what is a fixed cost. So the formula for fixed cost will be BEP into PV ratio. Break even sales we have found out itself here, right? Break even sales हमने यहाँ पे find किया है 15,000. It is that 15,000 into PV ratio. PV ratio is 50% given it in the question. 15,000 into 50% will give out 7,500 as answer. Next question is question number 12. XYZ company is giving the information, which is sales 2 lakh for period 1 and for period 2 the sales is 3 lakh, profit is 20,000 and 40,000 for period 1 and 2 respectively. Now from the above information we have to find PV ratio, second is margin of safety, third one is break even point sales. What we can do is, right, first of all we will find the difference for the given sales and the given profit. Deducting the sales value 3 lakh minus 2 lakh will give out 1 lakh as difference, and deducting 20,000 from 40,000 will give out 20,000 as difference, right? We have to find the difference of sales and profit. Now, depending on these values, we have the formula for PV ratio, which says PV ratio is equals to difference in profit divided by difference in sales, right, into 100. Difference in profit is 20,000 and difference in sales is 1 lakh. So 20,000 divided by 1 lakh will give out 20% as answer for PV ratio. Secondly, we have to find out margin of safety. The formula for margin of safety is profit divided by PV ratio here. Profit is 20,000 divided by PV ratio is 20%. Right. Profit divided by PV ratio will give out 1 lakh for the period 1 and margin of safety for period 2. Profit for period 2 is 40,000 and PV ratio is 20%. Hence 40,000 divided by 20% will give out answer as 2 lakh. Third, we have to find BEP sales. BEP sales is sales minus margin of safety. Same for period 1 and period 2. Here the sales is 2 lakh for period 1 and 3 lakh for period 2. Margin of safety is 1 lakh for period 1 and 2 lakh for period 2. So 1 lakh and here 2 lakh. 2 lakh minus 1 lakh will give out 1 lakh as answer, and for period 2 3 lakh minus 2 lakh will give out 1 lakh. For period 2 also 3 lakh minus 2 lakh will give out 1 lakh as answer. Right. Right, now next question is question 14. Right, find out the profit on actual sales from the following details. Right, actual sales is given and a break-even sales is also given and fixed cost is also given. Right, we have to find out profit on actual sales, which is 20,000. For that, what we will do? Right, it will be at BEP. Right, there is a fixed situation given or fixed provision given here that at BEP contribution is always is equals to fixed cost. Then we have to find the PV ratio based on this. At BEP sales is 10,000 and contribution and fixed cost are equal, which is 5,000. PV ratio, the formula for PV ratio is contribution divided by sales into 100. Contribution is given here 5,000, sales is given as 10,000 here into 100 is equals to 50%. Secondly, at actual sales of 20,000 we have to find the profit. So contribution at 20,000 will be 20,000, which is sales value into PV ratio. 20,000 into 50% will give out 10,000 as answer. And profit, we know the formula for profit is contribution minus fixed cost, right? So when we will deduct the value of fixed cost, which is 5,000 given already here, right, with contribution from contribution, which is 10,000, which we have found here, we will get the answer as 5,000. Right. The next question for the CVP analysis is question 15. The costs and sales for first and second half of a manufacturing company is given here, and we have to find the contribution to sales ratio, that is PV ratio. Second one is annual fixed cost, third is break-even sales, and fourth is margin of safety as the percentage of sales. Right. Now right, in the question itself the sales and costs are given for first half as well as second half. What we will do, we will deduct the total cost from sales, that is sales minus total cost, and we will find out profit for first half and second half as well as we will deduct these values. 24 lakh minus 3 lakh minus 24 lakh will give out 6 lakh as answer, and 26 lakh minus 21 lakh 80,000 will give out 42 as answer, 4 lakh 20,000 as answer, right? And the difference total will be 1 lakh 80,000. First of all, we have to find out the contribution to sales ratio, which is also known as PV ratio. We know the formula for PV ratio based on this information can be difference in profit, right? Difference in profit and difference in sales, right? Difference in profit is 1 lakh 80,000 and difference in sales is 6 lakh. So 1 lakh 80,000 divided by 6 lakh will give into 100 will give out 30% as answer of PV ratio. Second, we have to find out fixed cost, right? And the actual sales is 54 lakh. Actual sales 54 lakh कहाँ से आया? 54 lakh will be 30 plus 24 lakh. Right, total sales जो भी है हमारी वैल्यू टोटल सेल्स की, that will be actual sales, which is 30 lakh plus 4 lakh. Fine. Now for contribution we have to do the thing 54 lakh into 30%. We will get the contribution as 16 lakh 20,000, right? Less profit value. What's the profit value here? Here it is, right? 2 lakh 20,000 plus 4 lakh, right? It will be 6 lakh 20,000. Deducting the value, we will get 10 lakh as answer for fixed cost. Third thing we have to find out is break-even point. Break-even point is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost we have found here, 10 lakh it is there. PV ratio is 30% up there, right? Dividing the values, we will get 33 lakh 33,333 as answer for break-even point. Fourth one is margin of safety, and for margin of safety as percentage of sales, we have got the formula which says sales minus BEP divided by sales into 100. What's the actual sales value? Here it is 54 lakh. 54 lakh is given here. What is the break-even point? It is 33 lakh 33,333 divided by again the sales value into 100. We will get the answer as 38.27% for the margin of safety as percentage of sales.